Hi everyone. I am Pola. Welcome to Educational Trades channel. In this video, I'd like to describe you an important market indicator, which is very useful for beginner traders and for professionals as well. I'm going to show you pivot point indicator. I will explain you what it is exactly, how it is calculated, and what are its possible application to examine any financial instrument, and how it is used for an investment. Don't worry. It's very easy to understand it, and it boasts an undisputed effectiveness that has been approved by many experts as a very important tool to have an objective view of the charts. Pivot point: it's a technical analysis indicator which identifies the overall price as trend. This market indicator is widely used by traders for assets, indices and currency pairs. It helps to determine whether if the price is in a bullish, bearish, or neutral area, plus when the trend is strong, and when the asset's price is overbought or oversold. Furthermore, it can be used precisely with different time frames. The pivot point indicator can be calculated with different time frames. For example, if you want to get pivot point with daily time frame, you just need to calculate the average of the high, low and closing prices from the previous trading day. If you want to get pivot point with hourly time frame, you need to calculate the average of the high, low and closing prices from the previous hour, and so on. Each pivot point generates 6 different price levels, 3 support levels and 3 resistance levels. Support and resistance levels are then calculated off the pivot point. As I told you before, this indicator is widely used. Therefore you can find them updated in many websites and even online calculators, like in our website, dedicated specifically to provide pivot point, support, and resistance levels. if you wish to get them manually. I'll show you the formula for each support and resistance. Support and resistance levels are then calculated off the pivot point, like so. If the price is between R1 and S1, it is considered located in the neutral area. If the price is between S1 and S2, it is considered located in the bearish area. On the contrary, if the price is between R1 and R2, it is considered located in the bullish area. If the price is between S2 and S3, or between R2 and R3, the price's trend is considered strong. If the price breaks and overpass the third level, S3 or R3, then the price is considered oversold or overbought. Some trader prefers to use the second level already as an exit point, but usually they make this decision according to the combination applied with other indicators. Remember that it's always highly recommended to rely to more than one of them, and the economic calendar's news, when you want to trade. With pivot point indicator you can combine many indicators, such as relative strength index, ADX, ROC, moving average, Bollinger Bands and others. We'll talk about these indicators in other videos. Thanks for your attention. I hope you have found this video useful to better understand this popular indicator. If you wish, subscribe our website to receive updates on our lessons. This is just one of the lessons, which will be useful for investing like a pro. Using Educational Trades channel, we will also release strategies, advices, and news about our services. Subscribe YouTube channel, and follow us on Twitter and Facebook. Keep updated by visiting our networks. Even if most of our services are for free, we will offer special promotions on our shop. Don't hesitate to contact us for assistance. We are always here. Always for you. Always for people. Bye bye.